Good morning, students. In previous class, we have discussed about sphere, the definition of sphere and the equation of a sphere. Right. Second class, we have discussed about a sphere to a given 4 points. Right. If you have any doubt, please watch our previous classes. Now, today's topic is the plane section of a sphere. The plane section of a sphere, right? So the plane section of a sphere means, suppose this is a sphere, so like this is a sphere. Suppose there is a section of a plane, means suppose if a plane cuts the sphere, then the set of points common to a sphere and a plane, the set of points common to a sphere and plane is called as plane section of sphere, right? So here the set of points common to a sphere and plane is called as a plane section of a sphere, the plane section of a sphere. For example, suppose this is a sphere. There a plane sectioning or cutting or intersecting this plane, right? Then the common points to the plane and sphere called the plane section of a sphere. Now let us prove the plane section of a sphere is a circle. The plane section of a sphere is a circle. It means the set of points common to a plane and sphere, the locus of set of points common to a sphere and plane is a circle. So for this, let us take, this is a sphere, so let us take its center is O, right? So P be any variable point on the plane section of the sphere, right? So here N be the perpendicular, ON be the perpendicular from the center of the plane, center of the sphere to the plane, right? Here NP is a line which lies on the plane section. NP is a line which lies on the plane. Suppose we are joining these two. Let us write here. Let O be the center of the sphere, right? And P be any variable point on the plane section, right? Let ON be the perpendicular, from the center of the sphere to the plane, right? So then we have ON is perpendicular to NP. So there will be ONP is a right angle triangle where right angle is at N, which implies that OP square is equal to ON square minus plus NP square. So from there, NP square is equal to OP square minus ON square. Here where N and O being fixed points, and NP where N and P being fixed points and NP is constant distance for all positions of P, right? So here O is the center of the sphere and here N be the fixed point. So there we have taken ON is perpendicular, does not change. Like if you take P for any position of P, this NP will be fixed. It indicates that here, which shows the set of common points to a sphere and plane, or simply the locus of P. The locus of P represents a circle with center as N and radius as NP. Here the locus of P represents a circle whose center is N and radius is P. Thus the plane section of a sphere is a circle. The plane section of a sphere is a circle, right? So for this we have taken a sphere and a plane. There we have taken P be any variable point and ON be the perpendicular to the plane from the center of the sphere, right? So from there we can write ON is perpendicular to NP. NP is a line which lies on the plane. So from there we can write OP square is equal to ON square plus NP square from the Pythagoras theorem. So from there NP square equal to OP square minus square, which represents here N and O are fixed points and NP is constant distance for all positions of P. So hence which shows the locus of P is a circle whose center is N and radius is NP. Here we discuss some key points. The section of a sphere by a plane, through its center means, suppose if the plane, if a plane passes through the center of the sphere, or plane cuts the sphere through its center, in that case the section of a sphere by a plane is called great circle. The section of a sphere by a plane through its center is called great circle. The section of a sphere by a plane through its center is called great circle. In this case, the center and radius of the great circle are same as the center and radius of sphere. Those are same as the center and radius of the sphere. Yes, right. So now we have discussed about the plane section of a sphere. The plane section of a sphere, nothing but the set of common points to a plane and sphere, the set of common points to a plane and sphere called plane section of a sphere. In general, the locus of the set of common points to a sphere and plane is a circle. Thus, the plane section of a sphere is a circle. The plane section of a sphere is a circle. If the section of a sphere by a plane through its center is called great circle. Right. Now let us discuss one more topic. Right. Suppose if there exists the common points to a sphere and plane. There exists a common point to a sphere and plane, if and only if the perpendicular distance from the center of the sphere to the plane is less than or equal to radius of the sphere. Right? Suppose this is a plane and this is a sphere. If these two, it means if it intersects or touches, cuts like this or touches like this, there exists common points. There exists common points to center and sphere and plane. So, if there exists the common points to a sphere and plane, if and only if the perpendicular distance from the center of the sphere to this plane is less than or equal to radius of the sphere. One of very important point, right? So, if there exists a common points to the plane and sphere, if and only if the perpendicular distance from the center of the sphere to the plane is less than or equal to radius of the sphere. Suppose if the plane touches the sphere, such case the perpendicular distance of the plane from the center of the sphere, to the plane, simply the perpendicular distance from the center of the sphere to this plane is same as the radius of the sphere. If it intersects, the perpendicular distance from the center of the sphere to the plane less than to the radius of the sphere. Suppose if it touches the sphere, then the perpendicular distance from the center of the sphere to the plane is same as the radius of the sphere. Now we discuss about equation of the sphere, equation of the circle. As we discussed so far, circle nothing but plane section of a sphere. It means the equation of a circle means it contains both sphere and plane. Simply taken together a sphere and plane, or writing together the equations of sphere and plane represents the equation of the sphere. Suppose if we are taking, let S is equivalent to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus b equal to 0. Let u is equivalent to lx plus my plus nz plus some e equal to. So this is where S represents a sphere and U represents a plane. Now if you want to write simply, if you then the equation of the sphere is taken together or writing together, these two represents the equation of the sphere. So this is about plane section of a sphere. Next class we discuss about applications of the plane section of sphere, or simply exercises problems on this topic, plane section of a sphere. One of very important topic as per academics exam point of view, right?